Giacinto's putting the salt on the ricotta to preserve it.
For ricotta salata.
Yeah, for ricotta salata. So there's a story about the ricotta salata. A lot of people don't understand, or not that they don't understand. Yeah, beautiful Giacinto. In the early times in the Sicilian culture, we didn't have Parmesan cheese or we had pecorino cheese, but we had the ricotta salata made from sheep.
Buongiorno.
And that was what we used to preserve and cook in the oven and let it go hard. And that was our ricotta salata. And that's what we used to put on top of our pasta and grate it. And then we would either have that or the breadcrumbs because we didn't have Parmesan cheese. Or we